The home favorite. Everybody likes this box. ¿Qué la que hay, corillo? Today we'll be unboxing two boxes. You saw in the previous video, we unboxed Loot Crate. I'm gonna unbox Threadbeast. The home favorite. Everybody likes this box. Comes with a lot of clothing items. It doesn't have a theme, so basically it's random shit they send you. So let's see what this month brings. I always get I think it's the preferred box. I'm not sure. It's not the expensive. It's only $85. The expensive it's $125, I think. But yeah, I don't get like the big bowler shit. I just get the preferred thing. It brings you like 8 or 6 items and no shoes. So let's see. Let's get into it and see what we got. When you open the box, you'll see paper like always. But I want to take a little bit on. I just see something. I'm gonna put my hand in there without seeing what I'm grabbing, and I'll show you two guys. Let me see if I grab something. Ooh, we're back with the caps. Last month we got socks. We're getting caps again. Got a full black cap. Dolphins. I think it's the brand. Let me double check that. Yeah, pink dolphins. Yeah, simple, nice, and you can't go wrong with black caps. So let's see what else we have. We got a t-shirt, a white t-shirt. Banks Journey. It's like a tropical t-shirt. This is the back side. This is the front side. I think this is kind of neat. Tropical. I think summer passed already, but yeah, sure, next year. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, we have like a gray shirt with yellow. I can buy with this. What is it? Crook's Castle. Crook Castle. It was kind of small though. But yeah, Crook's Castle. I can rock this. That looks cool. Okay, we're two shirts in. Now is the time they normally go with the pants, and if you've been watching my videos, I'm kind of picky with the pants, so let's see what I got this month. Woo! Never mind. They went fancy this month. Staple Polo. Staple Polo. I like this. I can rock this to my work, my office. That's kind of cool. I like this. No weird pants. I'm liking it so far. What else we have? Oh, it feels like pants. It feels like pants. Khakis. I got khakis. Taylor vintage. It's the same brand of the one I got last month, black one. Yeah, same brand, same thing. I think that's all the stuff in here. So now let's try them on. Let's see how it goes.
6.5 hours later.
Hey, that's pretty good.